The massive Equifax data breach keeps getting worse. We're learning 2.4 million more people have been affected. That brings the total number of information stolen to 148 million. But what's even scarier, check this out. Experts say even with that data breach, more Social Security numbers were stolen in the last year than credit card numbers. They say it's like a house fire. The solution isn't just to have a smoke detector. You need insurance to fix the house after the fire. We talked with one woman who had a Social Security issue happen to her, putting her health at risk. Iris Williams died on November 13th, 2016. The only problem, Iris isn't dead. She's very much alive and living in sunny California.
Someone pushed the wrong button when recording a death. So they pushed the wrong number on a Social Security number. Yep, thanks to a clerical error, Iris was accidentally declared deceased. She at first thought it was funny until this accident affected her finances and even her health. I think I went to order my pills online and I couldn't. So I called and they told me I no longer had insurance. Paul Ferron is the vice president of LibertyID. He says clerical mistakes like this can create an avalanche of issues. While this doesn't happen often, he wants you to be prepared for Social Security theft.
Bad guys out there are collecting little bits of data from multiple people, using an element from multiple people and essentially sewing together a new individual.
But here's what you might not know.
The vast majority of identity theft is harbored or centralized in your medical information, followed by IRS tax return fraud.
It's mostly because everything we do is now electronic. So what can we do to protect ourselves? Well, start with how you use your information online. Practice computer online safety by keeping your passwords protected and different from site to site. Shred all of your old documents, especially after you do your taxes in the next couple of weeks. And remember, if a fire happens, use that insurance.
We really advocate that the individual take responsibility and seek out companies that provide restoration.
Restoration, like what LibertyID does, means they'll help you fix what was taken. In Iris's case, they gathered all the paperwork she needed and helped her connect with her health insurance to prove her identity and get her medication to her on time.
They're helping me ongoing. They're helping you to prove it and work on it, not just, pull your credit and see if anything's on there.
Yeah, imagine trying to prove you're still alive. And just so you know, it takes 18 months to detect identity theft after it happens. 18 months. We have more information on how to protect yourself on the Help Me Hank page at clickondetroit.com.